Growing flowers can bring fun to life, but it is time-consuming and labor-consuming to repeat the work of watering flowers every day for many years. With plants and pets at home, sometimes it is hard or even impossible to go out for long periods. But now, with Norshire Automatic Drip Irrigation Kit, you can go wherever you want anytime. Regular automatic irrigation is like a biological clock that can make flowers and plants grow lusher than manual irrigation. Norshire can be powered by USB or 2 AA batteries. You can set it at any time you want. If it is set to pump water for 10 seconds every day, it will enter the dormant state after pumping and will start automatically every 24 hours. So can be used continuously for more than half a year without charging. A USB Type-C charging port can be connected with a soil humidity sensor, which can water intelligently according to soil humidity. The open-source data interface enables it to support the external connection of other wireless remote control devices. The water source could be directly from a water bank or external sources such as a water bottle. You can divide the water pipe into several branches so that it can support up to 20 potted flowers at the same time. It is also suitable to provide pets with water. Norshire has a magnetic ring inside, which can be installed on the wall with magnets or placed directly on the table. The excellent waterproof design enables it to be used outdoors. A relaxed and natural life starts with having Norshire.